It's called When I Met You. Kaya po hiking sa sakay.
Dapat dalawa na sila. Dapat dalawa sila. Dapat dalawa sila. Isa lang yun.
There I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I feel. You gave me a reason to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. When I look in your eyes, I know I'm on to something good that you can. You love the light of my world, and sing all my cares away where they can bother me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a reason to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. You taught me how to love. You showed me your tomorrow, and today my love is different from the yesterday. And you taught me that, darling, I will always cherish you. Today, tomorrow, and forever. Yes, sir. Here, exactly 5 years ago, I met you, and I couldn't get enough of you. So here is the exact same place where we met.
Sana all. Sana all. Sana all.
Will you marry me?
Okay. Sana all, atin na all. Sana all. Oo, tayo. Sana all.
Hindi ko na in-expect kasi nahuli ko siya last time. Akala ko talaga nag-book siya ng hotel kasi nasagot ko yung call. Tapos sabi niya, may reservation sa The Nest. Sabi ko, ha? Angel under Angels. Sabi ko, wala kayong reservation. Sabi ko, walang reservation, wala po. Tapos binigay ko sa kanya. Tapos parang na-shock siya na ako yung nakasagot. Feeling ko, dun dapat yung plan niya mag-propose. So hindi ko alam na dito siya mag-propose.
So yun, sana mo surprise ka. you want to be part of this
Tara, kuha
session.
tayo.
My fiancé.
Sige, dala ko.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nok, isa pa Nok. Nok, isa na all. Sana all. Papakipot ka pa? Eh, bang papakipot ka pa? Kayari na lang pa niya. Papakipot ka? Ano mo yan? Isa pang sana all. Sana all. Isa pa. Isa pa. Sana all. Timing talaga. Timing.
Alright, pwede po bang palakpakan natin si Sir Ransel and Ma'am Angel? Okay. Wow, ayan. So this time po, let's enjoy the rest of the night. Pwede na po kayong kumuha ng inyong drinks, ng inyong food, and after that, magbabalik po tayo para sa ating raffle ng grand prize. Pwede po kayong kumuha ng food for 10 minutes, kumuha po kayo ng drinks, pwede po kayong kumuha, and we will continue the program after 10 minutes. Thank you po sa inyo lahat.
Halika na. Kuha tayo.
Ayaw makasali?
Motor? Pwede na. Pwede na, Sir Jim. Sana all. Sana all. Dito, sa camera. Oh. Sana all.
Make sure po na bumalik kayong lahat kasi aabangan natin ang special
Wow.
number,
Wow.
dance number na
Kuha tayo.
ating po
Wala na.
talagang pinuntahan
Tara, kuha tayo. Wala na.
ng Star Magic. Kaya abangan po natin.
Huwag ka na ito. Hindi ka na, dalawa. Kuha tayo. Di, badang yung mura, di. Sabihin mo. Ito, bumura kita, di. Hindi pa, di. Hindi pa. Malaki yung bill ko, eh. Di. O, pwede na yan.
Maraming salamat guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Maraming salamat.